This is our first visit to Mogambika and Kodachadri. Mogambika is on the western coastal plain, but Kodachadri is situated on the top of the hill. Approximately 1200 meters above the sea level. Over the top of Kodachadri Hills is the Sarvajna Vedam located. We can get there only by off-roading Mahendra jeeps. It is believed that Adi Shankara reached this place and meditated here and finally got enlightened. The local drivers are experienced to drive these off-road jeeps, but they too do not reach to the top of the Sarvajna Vedam. But we will have to go for trekking for another 1.5 kilometers to reach. Kodachadri is situated in the Mogambika forest. It is a wildlife sanctuary also. Many of them are endangered species. This is the halting points of the jeeps. From here, trekking trail starts. It is the home of variety of flora and fauna. Walking on this steep slope is not only thrilling but also challenging. You should be extra cautious while trekking this track because a wrong step on the wrong place may be really fatal. But once you reach the top of these Kodachadri hills and the Sarvajna Vedam, it is really rewarding, and you can take a short break here. You can take a meditation here and return your downhill journey. This is the place where Adi Shankara meditated. Everyone who visit this place sit here in a meditative pose for a while, enjoying the beauty and tranquility of this place. After a rewarding and refreshing hike, we returned from Kudajadri. I think one should visit Kudajadri at least once in their lifetime. It is a sort of spiritual journey, or rather a pilgrimage.